fine. Life wasn't always this good cause it took some time. If I keep on grinding this way, I'll see trillions. Got some little niggas with me, they my minions. You can call me holy Phil, cause I'm the real deal. Listen to the music, then you'll find out how I feel. I was sitting in the bando bagging up the cane. Looking at my life, I can't believe the flipping change. The prophet told me life ain't never gonna be the same, but there ain't nothing in the world that's gonna ease my pain.
We some players, in the trap ain't playing. Going up amazing, take the loot we staying in. Or saving thrill, feel something unreal. Lifestyle real deal, gotta stay still, won't get the shield. We some players, in the trap ain't playing. Going up amazing, take the loot we staying in. Or saving thrill, feel something unreal. Lifestyle real deal, gotta stay still, won't get the shield. Been a minute, took an hour, but we back. Took that loss, we on the track. They don't know where we at, but we know where we stand. Only sipping on some yak or Ray Raw. All the nights we on the way for. It ain't over, just the start. We go hard, we can't do half. On the way to the top, just before we done a lot. This place, we earned it. Doing the most, we burning. Careless whisper, we going through, player, we trapping out, bro with the pound, smell out the house, whole like wasabi, burning your mouth, babe so wet, hell yeah, we surfing, my guys, my slimes we purging, on lurking, on scheming, every season, you know the reason, gotta go, we up next level.
What's going on YouTube? What's up? Alright, so let's start from the top. So basically, daily bearish, but if you notice, right, you can see 1, 2, this could be a potential, you know what I'm saying? And yes, we have to be smart about this stuff. So now moving on to the 4-hour time frame. You already know we're bullish. We're bullish here. I don't think we didn't close back inside of this support though. But you know we've got anything is possible, right? Okay. So the 1 hour is like this. Okay, that's fine. Moving on to the 30-minute now. So what I would potentially say then, for me, the area of interest would be like would be around this area. So I'm just gonna put a notification. Add an alert. Okay, I've got my alert set 966. Let's see if we get around this area while we're here. Let's report this background red. Thinking about the hills every time I wake up. I can't stop for tea, what I'm on is not lost. Yeah, fine, all good. So I've got the 15-minute time frame ready. Gotta turn this risk up. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect time. I need to be able to read the comments on the YouTube, otherwise that would be impolite of me to ignore everybody, right? Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect time. How's everyone doing though, man? How is it going trading gold? Like, okay, perfect. Alright, so as of yet, no positions yet. We're waiting. Patience is key. Hello. I don't know what your name is, but I'm gonna call you Love Money. Is that okay? I'm gonna call you Love Money. So, Love Money, hello. Welcome to the live. Welcome to RoadToTP. How are you doing today? Life's what you make it, trying to get us out the matrix. RoadToTP on the way to the loot.
D&D, we cooking R&B cause we smooth. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette.
I'm currently trading my Vindaloo. So Andrew, nice to meet you. Welcome to RoadToTP. Welcome to the live. I'm currently trading my Vindaloo I had earlier to the Proclaim Gods. You're gonna have to show us where that asset is, man. I don't. Bro, what's the symbol? What's the trading symbol? Vindaloo. Are you seeing the buy setup? I am currently seeing the buy setup. I'm just waiting. Like I said, I'm waiting for price to come to this zone, and then we will be inside. I can currently see. I see that Andrew's just playing games with us. He's just messing about. He's currently just made up some assets. But listen, I'm not joking, but people would actually buy the assets if they were real. You know, if people saw Vindaloo was for sale, people would be buying. You know, so no surprises there. Okay, let's go. So back to your point, love money. So where do you think an appropriate area to buy would be? Looking at what price is currently doing right now. So just to give you guys some perspective, this is what I'm looking for, right? Potentially. It's not to say that it will happen, right? Can't predict the markets, but if we see a potential setup, we can try, you know. Time, let's see, it's currently 3:06. Okay, oh shit, I need my phone.
Can't get off my mind, sipping water so I'm right. Edge of the cliff, if I fall I'ma fly.
Okay.
From the mud ain't pretty, mentally be sticky. Broken heart stay broken, but the mind that stay woken. Showing lots of passion to this greatness. Life's what you make it, trying to get us out the matrix. RoadToTP on the way to the loot. D&D, we cooking R&B cause we smooth. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life.
Okay, love money. My entry point is the wick of the second OB. OB. Help me out, please. What is OB?
Doing what I'm saying, attracting what I'm praying. Grinding to go far on this journey. Come with scars, they won't tell you that it's hard. You don't face it, you'll turn soft. Racks the riches with the squad.
All the block. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. Thank you so much. And also welcome to the live, Bates Tube. Buys or sells? So be so chaser. Listen, welcome to the live. And right now myself, I'm currently waiting for buys. You know, the sells, unfortunately, I was not ready for them yesterday. It's okay. If you can see that sign over there, it says breaking rules is for the week. Remember that. And then I also have another sign over to the left which says FOMO is for the week. So I didn't try to get into any re-entries for the sales or anything. I'm making sure that I'm sticking to my setup. This is how you trade gold profitably. And look, I mean, okay, wait, hold on. There's two messages going at the same time. So love money. So what strategy do you trade? So myself, I don't have a sort of name for the strategy, like a common name for it, right? I have developed a few systems, right? One of them is called range rejection trigger protocol, all right? and then another one is called just key area framework, you know. So pretty much all I do is trade simply support and resistance. That's pretty much it, and continuations as well. And then now your next love money. I'm seeing both buy and sell. Yes. So how I would go, how I'm seeing, like, I definitely agree with you. What I would say is that the thing is, the weekly and the daily is bearish, right? Which means they're currently in sync with each other, you know. However, if I mentioned earlier, right, looking at the daily, what we're seeing is and then this could potentially be a repeat, you know. It's not to say that it will be, but it's just it could, you know. So it's an idea, but definitely I think the bias for the day, I think, is bearish. But I was saying to myself, oh, you know, I think that I need to try and stay. I'm gonna stay in queue with the 4-hour time frame. But yeah, right now, based off of what this 4 hours just done, I mean, I'm just gonna say I'm gonna stick with the buys, you know. Especially we broke out and just basically, I was gonna say, disabled this bearish candle. So yeah, let's see. So Beso Chaser, I'm in a trade already for buys. Nice, bro. Where did you get in the buys? I trade structure, liquidity, point of interest. Okay, yeah, nice. Love money, very nice. Okay, say Nayara, sayonara. Yo, I'm just gonna call you Nayara. So Nayara, welcome to the live. So how do you identify support and resistance? Wow, good question. Very good question. Ideally, for me, it's all about like the daily, and then if you struggle to find that sort of support and resistance on the daily, then like, look, okay, wait, hold on. I'm just gonna try and identify some support and resistances now. So this is a resistance. Yeah. This here is a resistance. Right, it's a resistance because we have the bullish candle, sorry, and then after we got the bearish candle, right? Price couldn't push up anymore, and it closed back inside, right, with this bullish candle next to it. Hence the word resistance, you know. It's like, I was gonna say the resistant, but yeah. Anyways, whatever. Yeah. Now support. Let's see. I find this to be like a kind of crap support, but okay, I can use this one. I'll use this one here. It's not the greatest of resistance, but this area here, right? So this support here, very simple, yeah. The same thing like the resistance. Price just couldn't continue coming down. It made a resistance, but then, you know, it made the support because now price couldn't break below. Yeah, and then the good thing about this one as well is that you can see, because we rejected the support, right, it's just a clear cut indication that, okay, we could most likely we're going to continue pushing it, right? And we did, you know. Let's see. Alright, so I use Bates tube, I use fib retracement. Nice, bro. Yeah, man, 100%. Look, I'm trying to. Oh wait, hold on. Let me make sure that I'm reading all of the messages. Yeah, YouTube replacement. Okay, Love Money, thank you for the follow. So, bro, I was gonna say. So what you can do is, it would be nice if you join my Discord. So to do that, if you check in the bio of my on TikTok, you will see the Road to TP on Telegram. So you search for that, and then there's already the link for the Discord in the chat in the chat. So just join, and man, we can get connecting. Seriously, like I'm definitely down for that. Don't switch. So yeah, if you just go to the join the Telegram, join the Discord through the chat, and then yeah, we'll see you in the Discord and get to conversating and connect properly. It's great I'm happy to connect with traders. That's what I want to do. So okay, Bates to bro, go down to the 5 minutes, you'll see it better. All right, let's see. What are we supposed to be seeing, Bates to? Flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. So young caballero, doing what I'm saying, attracting what I'm just quick FYI, right? So I mentioned about the Telegram. Just to let you know, I do not do signals on Telegram, right? That's not my thing. It's not my niche. I don't agree with signals. I think that signals do not make traders. They actually, you know that saying when they say the thing about the horse and not feeding, and basically no, actually the saying about, I think basically you can't learn how to trade if people are just giving you signals, man. And it's like, if you're in this game, you want to be in it to win, not in it to lose, or to just be someone's sheep, you know. So yeah, it doesn't make sense trying to do all this long thing. But yeah, let's see what I'm gonna do. Man, I mean, if you wanna do signals, bro, feel free. You know, if you wanna pay people to trade, you know, you go. Oh wait, hold on, Sean. Sorry, I didn't welcome you to the live. I'm sorry about that. Welcome to the live, Sean. And yes, let's start off with your first message. So, can still earn nice from signals, bro. Yeah, again, like I said, I still believe that even if you earn, that's great. It's good to hear, you know. It's good to hear people making money from the markets, because as you know, more than, I think it's like 90% of traders lose money. So you know, it's not good. But for you to be making money, man, well done, bro. Good on you. I'm earning from signals and learning. Okay, no, that's fantastic. Learning is the most important thing. Looks kind of bearish. Yeah, I get it, man. I know One Love, I know. By the way, guys, One Love's been here throughout all of the lives, you know. One Love is showing love, you know. Let's see. Not sure if I should wait for the London session. Yeah, man, I mean, if you want to, bro, like, yeah, wait for the London session, you know. Oh my god, One Love sent roses. Thank you so much. So my take on the London session, I mean, it depends on what your strategy is, you know. Like mine, I'm trying to hold the position for like a while, so that's why I'm able to stay in different sessions, you know, because I don't know when the move I'm looking for will take place. You know, it could be the London session, it could be the New York session, it could be the Asian session. And what's convenient for me is to stay up in the Asian session, because obviously, like, I have to work during the New York session, and if you haven't followed my series on YouTube, then you will know that, okay, it's hard for me to be able to keep up with trading while I'm working. And I put a rule on myself that, okay, I'm not gonna be trading while working anymore, like while I'm outside of the house, you know. Okay. Sean, thank you so much for the likes. You know, oh look, Snowflake's in the building as well. Another OG in the building, Snowflake. You know, Snowflake and One Love. Yes, W man, W Snowflake, W One Love. These guys have been here since the beginning of this TikTok live that I've started since yesterday. So make sure to show some love to these guys. Yeah, all good, man, all good, bro. I'm back from the gym. I've been trying to keep up, make sure everything's flowing well, you know. I think that yesterday, as I've started the live with you guys. Yeah. Anyways, we can talk about it probably on the Discord, you know, that would be nice. But yeah, big pump. Yeah, I know. It's crazy. It's crazy, man. I mean, I don't think.
Life's what you make it, trying to get us out the matrix. RoadToTP on the way to
I don't think I was asleep when the market opened. It was peak. Like, I even missed out on. Yeah, it would have been nice to have been in the buys, but it's okay. You know how it is. I told you, FOMO is for the weak, so it doesn't matter. Yeah. Yeah, it's peak, man. It's peak, bro. You need to sleep. You need to sleep in it. Like, well, I mean, yeah, you can't control yourself if you fall asleep. So, yeah.
Doing what I'm saying, attracting what I'm praying, grinding to go far on this journey. Come with scars, they won't tell you that it's hard. You don't face it, you'll turn soft. Racks the riches with the squad. Congratulations, do you really feel the joy? Feeling so embarrassed with these setbacks, mute the noise. Always gotta find a way to get some more. We want some more.
Okay, so the 15-minute candle just closed. Okay. We kind of got a good move.
Thinking about the hills every time I wake up. I can't stop for tea, what I'm on is not lost. Hustle with the goons, baddie showing crew love. Palace in the hills.
Alright, so the next closure is going to be the 30-minute. So this is when I would recommend, like, for example, if you're taking buys, I wouldn't really be trying to focus on taking buys now. Even, you know, from when the 1 hour closed, like, it doesn't make sense to buy now. It didn't make sense to buy then. Like, look, I'm gonna show you something. Like, oh shit, excuse me. So basically, you can see that the 1 hour showed, okay, we can't push enough, and then basically, pretty much, this 15-minute candle gave us confirmation. Okay, yeah, we wasn't gonna push up. Okay, I've just hit a violation on the live, which is fine. It's normal. It happens. Yo, all the time. Violation after violation.
Edge of the cliff, if I fall, I'ma fly. From the mud ain't pretty, mentally be sticky. Broken hearts stay broken, but the mind that stay woken. Showing lots of passion to this greatness. Life's what you make it, trying to get us out the matrix.
But yeah, thank you for the likes. Thank you, Shaylee. Welcome, Shaylee. Welcome again. Shaylee was here in the New York session earlier before. Thank you, Snowflake, for the likes. So yeah, like I was saying, so basically the one hour said, okay, we can't push up anymore, and then the 15-minute basically just confirmed it, you know, gave the confirmation, and this is why this would have been a great trade if you was a scalp trader. You know, like, so me, just an FYI, I normally have my stop loss at 50 pips on gold. I don't do any. If I do higher, then obviously I have to risk less. I have to use less lot size. But yeah, like this. And then, you know, if I wanted to, boom, put it here. Nice, quick, 1 to 4, easy, guys. It's not for like in back. Yeah, that's great. So yeah, welcome. And by the way, Shaylee, if you're not inside of the Telegram, feel free to join the Telegram and then join the Discord, where we'll be able to talk about trading and I guess learn from each other, you know. Palace in the hills, gotta turn this risk up. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. So yeah, let's see. We've got 5 minutes until the 30-minute candle closes. Perfect timing. Flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Damn, this is playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing, so I make it. All I need is perfect timing. Flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Can't get off my mind, sipping water so I'm right. Edge of the cliff, if I fall I'ma fly. From the mud ain't pretty, mentally be sticky. Broken heart stay broken, but the mind that stay woken. Showing lots of passion to this greatness. Life's what you so, make it, for any of the viewers, is anyone in any positions so far, as of yet? D&D, we cooking R&B, cause we smooth. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing, so I make it. All I need is perfect timing. Flipping his piece still right. User not active. Welcome to the live. Welcome to RoadToTP. No. Okay. Are you looking for any potential trades? What's your bias for the day? Flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. So young caballero, doing what I'm saying, attracting what I'm praying, grinding to go far on. Wait, hold on. Okay, one love. So just long right now. F it. This guy, yo, listen. I've been trading since 2023. Yeah. One thing that I've learned about trading, bro, is that the moment you say F it, it's not looking good, man. But look, all the best on your trade. Good luck, man. Good luck. How much did you risk? Yes. Where? Where shall I buy from? User not active. Where shall I buy from? Buy or sell? Bro, I can't give that advice. I mean, what do you question? Let me ask you a question. How long have you been trading gold for? Perfect timing. Flipping his piece still rising. 6 years. Damn. Okay. So, based on your experience of trading gold, right? When you look at the time frames that you find most important to you, what does the price action tell you? What is the reality of the price action? Can't get off my mind, sipping water so I'm right. Edge of the cliff, if I fall I'ma fly. From the mud ain't pretty, mentally be sticky. Broken heart stay broken, but the mind that stay woken. Showing lots of passion to this greatness.
Life's what you make it, trying to get us out the matrix. RoadToTP on the way to the loop. D&D we cooking.
Guys, I'm currently trying to fill out my information.
With my life changing, so I make it all I need is perfect time.
One love is playing games. Wait, hold on. Okay, so Hasty, welcome to the live. Welcome to RoadToTP. How you doing? So Hasty is asking, what are you expecting from gold? Man, that's a very vague question, you know. If I had to answer in short, I'm expecting gold to change my life. Well, I mean, it's already changed my life, but I'm expecting gold to change my life majorly, even more, you know, in this current year. But for now, today, to be honest, I'm not expecting much from gold. How about yourself? What are you expecting from gold? One love. So gold wants to go to 10,000, but New York is manipulation. Look, man, I think that if gold wants... Okay, the 30-minute candle's closed, and then we'll continue conversating. Okay, so yeah, again, 30 minutes just confirmed that, okay, we do not look like we want to go up, but let's see what happens. The 15-minute, it's like this. Okay, yeah, just wait. We're currently in this range right now. So look, I think when gold is ready, it'll go to 10,000. Probably in like a couple years time or something. I don't know when gold will go to that price, but yeah. Anyways, New York is manipulation. Look, man, I think that there could or could not be. I think that we just have to ignore all of the noise and all of the myths that there is in the finance industry and just trade our systems, and the rest will come, you know. As long as we're true to ourselves and as long as we do what we think is right, the things that we want, it will come. Let's see. Bro, I'm in the charts now. Yeah, Hasty. Yeah, I know. I'm just messing around. I mean, anyways, yeah, from the charts, what am I expecting? Me myself personally, like I mentioned, you know, is so look. I'm going like this, yeah. The weekly created a resistance, right? But we also, yeah, I mean, it's kind of subjective. We also created a support as well. But anyways, the main point is that we have currently closed below, and I think that for me, this is kind of like bearish play, you know. And then moving on to the daily, right? The daily, we've done this, but this is where it gets tricky with the daily, yeah. What you want to do is, you see this, look, 1, 2, and then this could be free, right? I'm not saying that it will be free, it could be free. Okay, so I would say now it could be a potential buying situation, you know? And then what I said to myself today is that, okay, if this is the case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I stick to the 4 hour and just keep an eye on the 4 hour and stick with it and see what opportunities there could be, right? So now the 4 hours closed bullish. Okay, we didn't close above this area of 88, but we still closed bullish, you know. And then now we're like this currently. We're waiting for the 1 hour to close now, and the 30-minute is like this. So we just wait pretty much. But me, I'm expecting buys from gold. I hope that answers your question. Wait, Snowflake, look, I'm expecting a wife, house, car, and lots of money. Not that greedy. Nah, bro, be greedy, man. Be greedy. It's okay. I don't judge. I'm trying to be greedy as well, man. So it's fine. Okay, so J Extreme Sport, welcome to the live, welcome to RoadToTP. What software is this? So this software is TradingView. If you haven't got TradingView, make sure to download TradingView and trade your ass off. But obviously managing risk and not over trading.
Can't get off my mind, sipping water so I'm right. Edge of the cliff, if I fall I'ma fly. From the mud ain't pretty, mentally be sticky. Broken heart stay broken, but the mind that stay woken. Showing lots of passion.
Like the like. Thank you for the likes, Hasty. Thank you so much for the likes.
RoadToTP on the way to the loot.
Yeah, Shaylee, Snowflake's too funny, man. He's going crazy right now. But yeah, be greedy, bro. Be greedy, 100%. If anybody tells you, oh, you're too greedy, and it's like, you gotta tell them, bro, and what? You gotta tell them, I am, and what? You know? People don't want to admit it, but bro, people are greedy, man. People are greedy. You can see by how much food they eat, right? Or, you know, let me not get into the philosophy yet, but yeah, you know, it's okay. No hard feelings.
To go far on this journey, come with scars. They won't tell you that it's hard. You don't face it, you'll turn soft. Tracks the riches with the squad.
Oh my god!
Congratulations. Do you really feel the joy? Feeling so embarrassed with these setbacks, mute the noise. Always gotta find a way.
So how many years have I been trading? 3 years. It's literally 3 years, bro. I've been trading since 2023 January. Yeah, crazy, man. Crazy. And yourself? How many years have you been training for, Hasty? Shaylee, my belly's big. Okay, if you mean physically big, that's fine, don't worry. If you want to change it, you can change it, you know. I'm sure Snowflake will be willing to help you to make that change. But if you mean like metaphorically speaking, good on you, make that belly bigger, you know. Yeah, I would say be wary of the signals, you know. If you want real trading value, bro, like I would definitely recommend for you to join the RoadToTP Telegram, and then in the Telegram you'll find the link to the Discord, and we'll be happy to speak about trading and share our values, you know. So here's the Telegram, and then I'm gonna have to try and find the Discord. And then this is the Discord, right? So yeah, feel free to join, and yeah, man, we'll connect and try to drop real gems so that you don't have to rely on the signals, you know. Okay, so Snowflake, what time do you start your lives? Bro, it depends. Like usually I start my lives from 3 o'clock when the 4-hour candle closes, and then regarding the New York session, I normally start it like 3 o'clock again when the when the 4-hour what do you call it, candle closes. So normally when the 4-hour candle closes, that's when I start the session. Okay guys, so the first pack I got from sorry, hold on. So Unknown Traveler, welcome to the live, welcome to RoadToTP. Buy or sell? I would say do what your heart tells you. Let me ask you a question, right? How long have you been trading? How long have you been trading for? And how long have you been trading gold for? And then we'll go from there. Oh yeah, Shaylee. Okay, 1 second. Sorry about that. I like that. You said to learn and print. Wait, hold on. Yeah. Okay. Unknown Traveler, thank you so much for the follow. User 4,600. Nah, this is a big number. Okay, user 46 Infinity, that's what I'm gonna call you. Thank you for the follow. Unknown Traveler, 6 months and overall 18k loss, and tonight £1,370 loss. Okay, nice, thank you so much. Okay, just join the link for the Telegram, and then yeah, we'll be able to drop some gems for you, so that obviously you make back millions. Okay, like that's the plan, right? Don't think, oh, I need to make back the losses, right? But just think that, okay, I've reached this low and now I need to go further, you know. I'm gonna break into a newer high, right? And the rest will take care of itself. Yeah. The key, if I can, like I tell everyone, the key to succeeding in trading is just risk management and not over trading, you know. So yeah. Let's see. So join the Telegram as well. Thank you. Welcome to the Telegram, Unknown Traveler. Snowflake. Bloody hell, mate! You're in the right group, indeed. Everybody everyone W Snowflake. W Snowflake. Perfect timing, flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds, gotta stay strong, stay fighting, playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life, changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing, flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Okay, Unknown Traveler, that's my issue, over trading and then giving back to the markets. So, man, look. Okay, I don't remember if I asked you how long. Yeah, you said 6 months. Okay, so the first thing I will tell you is that when it comes to trading, right, the first approach that you need when it comes to trading is that you need to make sure that you have a systematic approach, right? If you don't have a systematic approach, you've already lost, you know. It sucks to say it, but you've already lost, because once you have a system, it's like, then okay, now I know that if I don't see my system unfold, then that means I shouldn't be trading. Does that make sense? And that's how you kind of avoid that mix up of over trading. Yeah, I see. Why you assume it's gonna go up? So why do I assume it's gonna go up? So I'm not saying it's gonna go up. I'm just saying that. Well, actually, look, I'm gonna explain myself again. I'm happy to explain. Wait, hold on. First of all, Bursey Trades FX, welcome to the live. Welcome to RoadToTP. I hope you're doing well. This is a very good question that I think I need to justify. So why you assume it's gonna go up? So I'm not confirming that it's gonna go up, but like I said, for me the weekly is bearish, right? Okay, the daily, it has closed bearish 100%, right? My concern is that I'm seeing this, so I'm thinking, okay, boom, maybe, remember the keyword is maybe this could be the same thing again, yeah, repeating itself. So repeat, sorry for the bad handwriting. Anyways, I said to myself that, okay, I'm gonna stick with the 4 hour and keep an eye on what the 4 hour does, and then we'll go from there, right? Sorry, 1 second. Okay, this is not good. So, currently the 4 hour has closed bullish, yeah? I would have been more looking at it now, I would have been more convinced if we retested below this area here, but clearly we didn't. So anyways, yeah, now it's just a question of what will happen. So I'm waiting for the 1 hour to close now, and then we'll go from there. I hope that answers your question. Where is the trades FX? Oh my god, I've been red carded again. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I need to be faster, guys. I'm so sorry for answering your question so slow. So unknown traveler, thanks, bro. To message to Snowflake, thanks, bro. Literally down to my last 500 before I put trading behind for good. Okay, unknown traveler, I'm going to give you the best advice that no one will ever tell you. Yeah, well, I mean, only mature people will tell you this. So if you want to learn trading and if you want to become super rich from trading, right? This is the trick. Okay, like I told you, you've given us the information. You said you've been trading for 6 months. Yeah, this is the trick. What you need to do is you need to just learn how to. You need to build a system, right? So what does that mean? That means you shouldn't be trading for money. You need to be trading to learn, right? What does that mean? That means instead of putting, let's say, £100, £1,000. No, sorry, not £100. Instead of putting £500, £1,000, £10,000, £100,000, £1,000,000, £1 billion, whatever, yeah. What you need to put is just £100, and you need to trade with that size. You need to make sure that you use the lowest lot size and you learn the markets. That's how you become better. You start to learn, okay, this is how I want to trade. This is the trader I want to be, and that's how you develop your system. Okay, so I would say withdraw the £500. No, withdraw £400 from that £500, and just stick to using the £100. And bro, like, your trading will elevate rapidly. Okay. So remember, don't think about the money, focus on learning how to trade. Okay, let's see who's next. Thank you, brother. Bursy Trades, thank you, brother. You're welcome, my bro. Bursy Trades FX, I can't lie, I'm down 300s tonight. That's fine, bro, as long as, you know, I mean, did you stick to, the question is, did you stick to your plan? Did you stick to your risk management? Unknown traveler, how does your group lives work? Do you give signals or we follow what you say? So I don't give signals, and it's not a question of following what I say. It's about learning from what I say and how I trade, and then being able to distinguish the kind of trader you want to be, and being able to put yourself in a position where you can say, okay, this is how I want to trade, and I'm gonna trade this way, and I'm gonna communicate with other traders, you know, to basically learn some experience and see how I can implement it into my own system, if that makes sense. Snowflake Snowflake's message to unknown traveler. You need to trade smart. Losses will happen. You can't trade with emotions. That's my bro. Hey, everyone, W Snowflake, man. W Snowflake. Dropping gems, bro. That's it. My guy. Unknown traveler at Snowflake. I win and then get greedy and give it all back and more and more. Okay, so that was unknown traveler's message to Snowflake, bro. Like I mentioned to Snowflake, there's nothing wrong with being greedy. The only thing is that you need to be greedy the smart way, right? That means don't look at the money, look at your system. Am I trading my system? Am I being smart with the trades? Then, you know, the money will come. You know? Okay, let's see. 1 second. I'm losing the messages. Bursy Trades, yeah, bro. Cool. Thank you so much for the follow, Bursy Trades. Yeah, I can't lie, I lost £300 over trading tonight. Okay, bro. So, if you want to know what the real hack to not over trading is, make sure to, look, join the Telegram and then join the Discord. You trade already, so we'll be able to discuss everything properly, you know. And yeah, we'll make sure that you stop over trading. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so Bursy Trades FX. I know where my issues was. Okay, so my question to you about you know where your issues was. What were your issues? If you don't want to put them out in public, then feel free to join the Discord and let us know. Signals overrated. Signals are not overrated. Signals should be banned. Okay. I don't think they make traders. I think that they destroy traders. Let's see. Unknown traveler, thank you for the advice. The realest out here that I've come across. Thank you so much, unknown traveler. Everyone W unknown traveler. Well, best way to let's see. So, Cam, welcome to the live, Cam. Welcome to RoadToTP. Well, best way to start is learn how to read candles in different mini charts. I definitely agree with you, Cam. Everyone W Cam for the greatest advice I've ever heard so far. Well, yeah, exactly. You need to learn each time frame. That's very true. No, I don't. No, okay, Bersy says no, I don't mind. Okay, thank you so much for being open, Bersy. Okay, so Bersy trades FX. I overtraded and didn't use my risk management, and I wasn't being smart and didn't use my confluence. Okay, so the question is, yeah, you were thinking about the money. Okay, so you already answered the question, bro. That's good. That's good. Yeah, man, it sucks, bro. It sucks. I know. You know, when you start to think about the money, that's it, man. It destroys you, bro. So you have to. Sorry about that, guys. I just had to quickly think. But yeah, you have to make sure that you ignore the money. Like, you have to be quick. You know, we're basically Premier League footballers when we're trading, so we have to be on top of it. Okay, guys, this is a question that's outside of trading. Yeah, who should I pick, Wayne Rooney or Michael Owen? Bearing in mind, I've already got Wayne Rooney on my team. I want to go with Michael Owen, but man, yeah, I'm gonna go with Michael Owen. Actually, it's fine. I don't need the answer, guys. It's okay. Let's see. Okay, so I was thinking about the money. Yeah, makes sense. Past couple of days, I used my strategy and made profit back from 200 to 600. Bro, you see, everyone W Bersy trades FX for doing for focusing on his strategy, man. That's exactly what it's supposed to be. Mentally be sticky. Broken heart stay broken, but the mind that stay woken, showing lots of passion to this greatness. So Cam, what? Oh my god, it's a lot of chats. I'm trying to keep up, guys. I'm being too slow. Watch the chart more than the money. That's it. Everyone W Cam. Very nice, Cam. Very nice. Thank you. Now, Bersy trades. Now where I'm starting. Okay. Now where I'm starting. That's fine, bro. No worries. Not to worry about that, bro. Okay. So the one I was closing soon. The 15-minute is still ranging. That's okay. So 4974. Good idea to get in, bro. Look, man. If you want to get in, help yourself. You know, I'm not getting into the markets now. I think that it's too soon to buy. And plus, even I need to see my entry signal. You know, like if I don't see my entry signal, I'm not taking the trade. So if you want to trade, if you want to open the buys, bro, or if you want to get into a position, feel free to get in. I don't know if you want to buy or sell. Sorry. By the way, CCC boys, welcome to the live. Welcome to RoadToTP. Okay, market literally hasn't moved in 25 minutes, bro. I know it's dark. It's dark. Bersy trade, but I lost 300 tonight from being silly, bro. Then the truth is, that's what you get for being silly, isn't it? That's what you get. Where is your entry, bro? So currently I'm not in a position. I'm currently waiting. And yeah, I'm currently waiting, bro. That's it. Where's your entry? No entries as of yet, man. No entries as of yet. Let's see. So, Cam, message to Bersy Trades FX. Keep your lot sizes low, bro, or 0.01 if your account's less than 1k. Damn, that's nice. Good advice. So this is responsible advice from Cam. So everybody W Cam. Cam's been dropping some great knowledge. So shouts him out. Shouts out to him. Okay, so Bersy trades at Cam. Yeah, I know. Bersy trades FX. Silly me. It's okay, bro. You're gonna get better, man, for sure. Bersy trades. I was using 0.1 with capital 600. Yeah. You know, it would be nice to get a breakdown of what your strategy is in the Discord. and then we'll be able to see further. Plus, also, I was gonna say, Cam, man, it would be nice to have you in the group. So please do join the Discord. If you haven't joined the Telegram, then join the Telegram and then the Discord, if you like. So snowflakes, patience is the key. That's facts. Big facts. Everyone W snowflake. So Cam, adversity trades effect. Build it slow and have breaks after each trade and look for next entry. Nice advice. I always say just trade yourself. You only trade yourself. Don't think about anything else except for trading yourself. You know, if you don't see your setup, don't trade. Period. Okay, guys, I'm hoping to get Ibrahimovic in this pack. Let's see. Damn, guys, I've been scammed. It's not looking good. They gave me Iniesta. Oh, I'm gonna have to take Iniesta, bro, because Iniesta's the top G. Anyways, let's see. Buzzy trades. I got too eager for the money since shit is tight at the moment. Bro, don't be trade. You can't trade for the money. Well, I mean, you can't trade for the money. Don't think about the money when trading, bro. Like, yeah, you have to be responsible. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing, so I make it. All I need is perfect. Okay. Perfect time. Well, yeah. If you, when you're ready to wait, hold on. I need to make sure that I'm reading my time. Buzzy trades at Cam. Yes, sir. Cam, I'll join Telegram. I don't use Discord. Okay, everybody, download Discord to Cam. Peer pressure him to download Discord. Buzzy trades strategy PDL PDH 50%. Okay, bro, please, if you could break down what PDL and PDH stands for, I would really appreciate it. Buzzy trades and SNR, support and resistance. Okay, nice, bro. Buzzy trades. Yeah, I know. I lost my mindset. It's fine. Cam, trade with FTMO, save your money. Bro, the only thing though is that wait, hold on, I need to pick if I'm gonna. Okay, I'm gonna pick Iniesta, guys. Yeah, okay, so the only thing I would say about the prop firms, man, is like if you don't have a system, bro, don't don't do it, man. Don't do it. Don't do the prop firms yet. I was fortunate, bro. Like I met these guys. I met the lads at Alpha Capital, and they just put me on, you know. So that's why I was able to get the challenge account. Otherwise, I would never have paid for a challenge account in the first place. Like I would have just been trading my own capital. And saying that, I haven't even touched my own account for time. Let's see. So, One Love. Discord is weird. Previous daily high and previous daily low. Okay. There's no TL on Discord. What's a TL? I'm sorry, man. I'm a bit old. I don't like funded. Birdie trade. I don't like funded. Yeah, fair enough, man. Strictly lives only. Fair enough. Cam, I basically fund my life off my FTMO. Nice, bro. That's it. Shouts out Cam. Timeline. Okay. I mean, I'm sure there is, no? Like, the messages, it all comes in order, right? FYP. I think FYP is for you page, yeah? Palace in the hills, gotta turn this risk up. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing, so I make it. All I need is perfect timing. Flipping this piece, still rising. Turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Damn, guys, this piece, I did not get any nice players, bro. It's dark. Perfect timing, flipping this piece, still rising. Turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Okay, so Cam said, if you teach yourself and stick to your rules, you will always make profit even with prop firms. Facts. 100%. One Love. I need invites. need invites. What do you mean by you need invites, one love? Shaylee, what's with the money guy on the table? Is that to spray your wins? Who's the money guy on the money guy on the table? Ah, you mean this thing here? So, God, yeah. Nah, literally, that's just there for show. Like, I remember I saw a bouncer from online. He must have had it, and I was thinking, bro, that looks so cool. That was when I was like currently trading, and I didn't have the mindset that I have now, you know. And I'm not recommending anyone to get it. I mean, yeah, it's cool, you know, it's fun, you know, especially when you're with some female friends, you know, and you know, yeah, that's it. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense to have it.
Flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. So young caballero, doing what I'm saying, attracting what I'm praying, grinding to go far.
Okay, makes sense. Yeah, you see, Shaylee already knows. That's it. But yeah, no strippers today though. It's peak out here, you know. Monday to Friday, we're locked in.
Find a way to get some more. We want some more. Married to the game, Lambo racing with my mates. Started from the bottom, 0 to 100 like I'm Drake. Visions cause we dreaming, turning dreams into planning. Action.
So guys, that was a complete failure. I spent like
I can't stop for tea, what I'm on.
I was thinking maybe
hustle with the goons, baddie showing crew love. Palace in the hills, gotta turn this risk up. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping this
the thing is, I want to change my sentiment.
Dust to diamonds, gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting.
But yeah, anyways, okay, so the 1 hour's closed. We can see that we're bearish, and you know, it's funny. Most people will try to sell now. Maybe you will come down now, but I would wait. Patience is key. Patience is key.
Sipping water, so I'm right. Edge of the cliff, if I fall, I'ma fly. From the mud ain't pretty, mentally be sticky. Broken heart stay broken, but the mind that stay woken. Showing lots of passion to this greatness. Life's what you make it, trying to get us out the matrix. RoadToTP on the way to the loot. D&D, we cooking R&B cause we smooth. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make
So
it.
Cam said, you know, with me, I used to swing trade. I was so bad.
Flipping this piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting.
I lost so much. Then when I learned, I was really good.
Grinding to go far on this journey, come with scars.
Then with that, I put it into quick scalps. Yeah, I definitely I hear that. What do you think the issue was when it came to swing trading?
We want some more. Married to the game, Lambo racing with my mates. Started from the bottom, 0 to 100 like I'm Drake. Visions cause we dreaming, turning dreams into planning. Action men, we active, run it up, then we vanish. Thinking about the hills every time I wake up. I can't stop for tea, what I'm on is not lost. Hustle with the goons, baddie showing crew love. Palace in the hills, gotta turn this risk up. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect.
I just kept getting stopped out because I knew the market knew where everyone enters and the general. So
Russian
Okay.
roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect, perfect time.
So saying that then, and then following your next message where you said area where everyone puts stop loss, did it not like maybe come to your attention? Maybe you could put the stop loss obviously somewhere more. Sorry, 1 second. More convenient for you so that you don't get stopped out. Yes, I like that. Cam. So I had to be one step ahead of it. Nice, bro. Nice.
Mentally be sticky. Broken hearts stay broken, but the mind that stay woken. Showing lots of passion to this greatness. Life's what you make it, trying to get us out the matrix. RoadToTP on the way.
No, because it wasn't one to one where I had to edit all the time. Okay. So usually when you're taking trades, like, what's your risk reward like now?
Perfect timing, flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting, playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life.
Okay, I
So
think
I
I'm ready
make it, all I need is perfect timing, flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting.
So if you understand.
Doing what I'm saying, attracting what I'm praying.
Yeah, so from what you said, I gathered that you're basically saying that your swing trades, it wasn't one to one, right? I need to go to the bathroom actually, guys. Okay, bear with. I need to go to the bathroom quickly. Because I scalp, I use 0.02 max. I don't open more than 5 positions max. Okay, so you're kind of, what's the word? Diversifying the risk.
Action, then we active, run it up, then we vanish. Thinking about the hills every time I wake up. I can't stop for tea, what I'm on is not lost.
I don't let my floating go over minus 100. Okay. So what's that? That's, if I'm not mistaken, that's like what? 1400. Well, I mean, for me, I would say yeah, like 140 pips, or maybe 100 pips. One love. I just don't want to wake up and it's 5,100, bro. Listen, trading, it will do that, bro. It's mad. Like, you just have to. It's them ones where you just have to accept it, you know. If you don't accept it, bro, then yeah, it's not good. It's not good. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna quickly go to the bathroom. Just bear with me, okay? By the way.
Can't get off my mind, sipping water so I'm right. Edge of the cliff, if I fall I'ma fly. From the mud ain't pretty, mentally be sticky. Broken heart stay broken, but the mind that stay woken. Showing lots of passion to this greatness. Life's what you make it, trying to get us out the matrix. RoadToTP on the way to the loot. D&D we cooking R&B cause we smooth. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping his piece still rising, turning dust to diamonds. Gotta stay strong, stay fighting. So young caballero, doing what I'm saying, attracting what I'm praying. Grinding to go far on this journey, come with scars. They won't tell you that it's hard. You don't face it, you'll turn soft. Racks the riches with the squad. Congratulations, do you really feel the joy? Feeling so embarrassed with these setbacks, with the noise. Always gotta find a way to get some more. We want some more. Married to the game, Lambo racing with my mates. Started from the bottom, 0 to 100 like I'm Drake.
So Cam, I enter in flips on 5 minutes and 1 minute candle and use 15 minutes to see general direction after finding setup. Nice. No, yeah? Okay, yes. Cam, support and resistance. Cam, I look for support and resistance for each session I do before I do all that. Makes sense, of course, makes sense. Okay, nice guys, what's going on?
Turning dust to diamonds, gotta stay strong, stay fighting. Playing with my feelings, Russian roulette with my life. Changing so I make it, all I need is perfect timing. Flipping this piece still rising.
So, I'm just gonna, for those of you on YouTube, I just want to say thank you so much for joining the live. Unfortunately, the opportunity has not been sourced yet, so in this moment I am going to have to end the live, and we will see each other back next from oh my god, I'll be seeing you guys on next week Monday for the Asian session, and we shall see if we find any opportunities. Wish me luck during the London session and the early start of the New York session. Let's see how we get on. But for now, take care, have a great weekend. Peace.
Views from the hills, dreams why we grinding. Chilling there, penning with guidance. Been a long year, still trying, still patient. Blessing my mama with greatness, telling my friends we made it. Old notes, new faces, same squad, different races. Views from the hills, dreams why we grinding. Chilling there, penning with guidance. Been a long year, still trying, still